Hi boys and girls, happy Friday. We're going to start out with our rhyming. Remember, you're going to repeat after me and then give me a thumbs up if the two words rhyme, a thumbs down if they don't. Fly, sky. You got it. Star, R. Night, light. Van, page. Long, song. Great job. Next one is our onset fluency. I'm going to say two words and then the first sound. You're going to repeat after me. Star, C, S. High, hop, H. Wonder, we, W. Like, let, L. Diamond, day, D. Great. Next one, we are going to be blending words. You're going to repeat each part after me, and then we're going to clap it together. We're going to talk at the same time. Ready? Blue, berry, blueberry. Hand, bag, handbag. News, paper, newspaper. Any, one, anyone. Water, fall, waterfall. All right, next one is our roller coaster. So we're going to have our word. You're going to listen for that middle sound. You're going to do the roller coaster with me. Then you're going to name the middle sound. Fan. An. Middle sound. Ah. Good. Let. Let. Middle sound. Eh. Chin. Ch. I. N. Eh. Hop, up, ah. Bug, ugh. Very good. Next one is segmenting words. We're going to hold a compound word and we're going to take it apart. You're going to repeat after me. Sunglasses. Sun, glasses. Fingernail, finger, nail. Leftovers, left, overs. Homework, home, work. Sometime, some, time. Great job. Next one is adding words. So I'm going to give you a piece of a word, and then we're going to add a second piece, and we're going to say the word. So repeat after me. Let's see. Your word is side. Add walk. Sidewalk. Pony. Add tail. Ponytail. Door. Add bell. Doorbell. Mail. Add man. Mailman. Hair. Add cut. Haircut. Great. Next one is deleting. You're going to hold a word in your hands. We're going to take away a piece of that word. Repeat after me. Goldfish. Without gold, what's left is fish. Cowboy. Without cow, what's left is boy. Lighthouse. Without house, what's left is light. Popcorn. Without corn, what's left is pop. Weekday. Without day, what's left is week. Great. All right, we're going to finish our rhyme today. So I'm going to say the whole rhyme, then you're going to say the whole rhyme, and we'll say the whole rhyme together. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Your turn. Great, let's say it together now. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Great job. I hope you have a fabulous weekend, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.